With the increasing unpredictability of global events, preparing for potential food shortages has become more important than ever. Stockpiling foods that have a long shelf life and provide essential nutrients is a smart strategy. Drawing inspiration from the Amish and their time-tested methods of food preservation, we've compiled a list of 19 foods to consider hoarding to ensure your family's well-being during tough times. Number 1. Rolled oats. Rolled oats are an exceptional food to store for long-term use due to their versatility, nutritional value, and longevity. Made by steaming and rolling whole oat groats, rolled oats retain much of their original nutritional content, including high levels of soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which is known to help lower cholesterol levels and support heart health. Because of their low moisture content, rolled oats have a remarkably long shelf life when stored in a cool, dry place in an airtight container. They can be used in a variety of recipes, ensuring that meals remain varied and nutritious even in challenging times. Number 2. Honey. Honey is a unique food product known for its exceptional preservation qualities and numerous health benefits. Unlike most other foods, honey does not spoil thanks to its low moisture content and acidic pH, which create an inhospitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms. Honey is also a natural source of antioxidants and simple sugars, making it a valuable asset in any emergency food supply. It can be incorporated into a wide range of recipes, from baked goods to marinades, and even used in skincare routines due to its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 3. Canned vegetables. Canned vegetables are a practical addition to any long-term food storage plan, providing essential nutrients when fresh produce is unavailable. With a shelf life of several years, canned vegetables retain much of their original nutritional value, offering vitamins and minerals crucial for maintaining health during challenging times. Versatile and easy to prepare, they can be used in soups, stews, casseroles, or served as a side dish. Opt for low-sodium options to avoid excessive salt intake, which can be harmful over time. Number 4. Wheat berries. Wheat berries are the whole, unprocessed kernels of wheat, comprising the bran, germ, and endosperm. This whole-grain form of wheat is highly nutritious, offering a robust source of dietary fiber, protein, and a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Wheat berries can be ground into flour for baking or cooked and used in salads, soups, or as a hearty side dish. They have an exceptional storage life when stored in an airtight container in a cool, dry environment, making them an excellent choice for long-term food storage. Number 5. Rice. Rice is a staple food around the world and a must-have for any long-term food storage plan. White rice, in particular, can last up to 30 years when stored properly in airtight containers in a cool, dry place. Rich in carbohydrates, rice provides a quick and easy source of energy, which is essential during times of scarcity. It is also gluten-free, making it suitable for those with gluten sensitivities. Rice is incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide range of dishes, from casseroles and stir-fries to soups and salads. Number 6. Cornmeal. Cornmeal is a versatile and essential staple in any long-term food storage plan, particularly valued for its role in traditional Amish cooking. Derived from dried corn, cornmeal is rich in carbohydrates and provides a quick and sustainable energy source. It also offers essential nutrients such as iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and B vitamins, which support energy metabolism and nervous system function. Cornmeal has an excellent shelf life when stored properly, and its versatility extends to various dishes, including cornbread, polenta, grits, and tortillas. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients, making them a valuable addition to any food storage plan. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds are popular choices that have a relatively long shelf life when stored in airtight containers in a cool, dark place. They provide a concentrated source of energy and are rich in vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, zinc, and vitamin E. Nuts and seeds can be eaten on their own as a snack, added to cereals and salads, or used in baking. Number 8. Dried beans. Dried beans are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering an exceptional shelf life and versatility that make them an essential item for long-term food storage. They are rich in plant-based protein, making them an ideal meat substitute, especially in times of food scarcity. Additionally, dried beans are packed with dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. They come in various types, including black beans, pinto beans, kidney beans, and lentils, each with its unique nutritional profile. Number 9. Pasta. Pasta is a popular food item for long-term storage due to its versatility, ease of preparation, and extended shelf life. Made from durum wheat, pasta is rich in carbohydrates, which provide a quick and sustained source of energy. It is also easy to cook, requiring only boiling water, making it an ideal option during emergencies when cooking resources may be limited. When stored in a cool, dry place in an airtight container, pasta can last for several years, making it a reliable staple in any emergency food stockpile. Number 10. Dried fruit. Dried fruit is a highly nutritious and convenient option for long-term food storage, providing a concentrated source of vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars that can sustain energy levels during emergencies. The drying process removes most of the water content, which not only extends the shelf life of the fruit but also intensifies its flavors. Dried fruits such as apricots, raisins, figs, and prunes are particularly rich in dietary fiber and antioxidants, supporting immune function and reducing inflammation.
Number 11. Powdered milk. Powdered milk is a versatile and valuable addition to any emergency food stockpile, offering the benefits of fresh milk without the need for refrigeration. It provides essential nutrients such as calcium, vitamin D, and protein, which are crucial for maintaining bone health and overall well-being. Powdered milk can be used in a variety of recipes, from baking to making creamy sauces, and has a long shelf life when stored in a cool, dry place. Number 12. Canned meat. Canned meat is an excellent source of protein and a valuable addition to any long-term food storage plan. It provides essential nutrients and a convenient way to add protein to meals when fresh meat is unavailable. Canned meats, such as chicken, tuna, and beef, have a long shelf life and can be used in various dishes, including soups, stews, and casseroles. When choosing canned meats, opt for options with low sodium and no added preservatives for a healthier choice. Number 13. Lentils. Lentils are a nutritious and versatile food that should be included in any emergency food supply. They are rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients such as iron, folate, and magnesium. Lentils are easy to cook and do not require soaking, making them a convenient option during times when resources may be limited. They can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and side dishes, providing a hearty and nutritious addition to any meal. Number 14. Sugar. Sugar is an essential ingredient for long-term food storage, providing a quick source of energy and a valuable preservative for canning and baking. While it is not a nutrient-dense food, sugar can be used to enhance the flavor of foods and provide a much-needed energy boost during emergencies. When stored in a cool, dry place in an airtight container, sugar has an indefinite shelf life, making it a reliable addition to any food stockpile. Number 15. Salt. Salt is another essential item for any emergency food supply, offering not only flavor enhancement but also preservation properties. It is crucial for preserving meats and vegetables through methods like curing and pickling, ensuring that food remains safe to eat for extended periods. Salt is also vital for maintaining electrolyte balance in the body, which is especially important during times of physical stress or dehydration. With an indefinite shelf life when stored properly, salt is a must-have in any food stockpile. Number 16. Dehydrated vegetables. Dehydrated vegetables are a great addition to any long-term food storage plan, providing essential nutrients and flavor to meals when fresh produce is not available. The dehydration process removes most of the water content, extending the shelf life of vegetables while preserving their nutritional value. Dehydrated vegetables can be easily rehydrated and used in soups, stews, casseroles, or as side dishes, offering a convenient way to add variety and nutrition to your meals. Number 17. Baking supplies. Baking supplies such as flour, baking powder, and yeast are essential for making bread, pastries, and other baked goods, which can be a comfort and a source of sustenance during challenging times. Flour has a relatively long shelf life when stored in a cool, dry place, and can be used to make a wide range of foods from scratch. Baking powder and yeast are also important for leavening, allowing you to create fluffy breads and cakes even when fresh ingredients are scarce. Number 18. Coffee and tea. Coffee and tea are comforting beverages that can provide a sense of normalcy during stressful times. They have a long shelf life when stored properly and can be a valuable addition to any emergency food supply. In addition to being a source of caffeine, which can help boost energy and alertness, coffee and tea contain antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that can support overall health. Number 19. Canned soup. Canned soup is a convenient and versatile food to stockpile, offering a quick and easy meal option that requires minimal preparation. It comes in a variety of flavors and can be a source of comfort and warmth during emergencies. Canned soup has a long shelf life and provides a good source of nutrients, making it a reliable option for long-term food storage. By carefully selecting and storing these 19 foods, you can ensure that your family is well prepared for any potential food shortages. Stockpiling these items will provide you with peace of mind, knowing that you have a reliable supply of nutritious foods to sustain you during challenging times.